Hello, it's your girl Minami. I'm back with a new unboxing and a review video. Today's superstar is the new Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5th generation. I will unbox it and quickly show you what's in the box. Really excited to open this masterpiece. We got our pretty phone right away. So gorgeous. Now let's discover the rest. In the cover of the box we got our SIM card ejection tool. And then we got a case, a transparent case. Finally, a quick start guide. Right away, we have the phone. Oh, it's a bit dirty, but I can clean it. Next, we got our power adapter. It's the super fast charging adapter. Amazing, right? We got an empty box as well. Right after, we got the USB Type-C cable. What's interesting here is that the two heads of the cable are Type-C. I'm impressed. Put it in the side. The last item that we got is the headphones. I think you get the headphones only if you buy your phone from South Korea, I'm not sure. By the way, it's Type-C as well, with extra ear cup. I'm not a big fan of Type-C headphones because you can't use your phone while charging it, but not a big deal. Now let's start the funny part. Peeling the plastic. I have put the sound of peeling it just so you can enjoy it with me. Super satisfying. Look how incredible this color. Plus, you don't have any fingerprints. It's matte. I like it more than I thought, really. The S Pen is on the left side, as you can see. A close look at the S Pen. I will now turn on the phone. Let's try. It feels so good working with the S Pen on the phone. Oh, and then we have my cat who is trying to sit on the phone while I'm recording. He helped me unboxing actually. So I'm trying to write hello in few languages like 안녕, marhaban, hello, bonjour, and finally hola. I think I did a mistake while writing it. It's with one L, but I wrote it with two L. Sorry. but I will never do this mistake again. The amount of things that you can do with this pen is just incredible. You can be so creative with this phone. I noticed a funny trick with the camera, so I called my cute cat Cheetah to try it. Cheetah! I think he's enjoying it. Are you enjoying it, pretty cat? Oh. I think the video has arrived to its end. Thank you for watching. Bye!